creating a savory rustic tart with ham and leeks in your convection oven. Savory rustic tarts are perfect for a light meal. The pastry is a simple short crust dough that it's easy to put together and only needs to rest for 30 minutes before rolling it out. Of course, you can always make it the day before or use a simple store-bought crust. Then all you have to do is spread some cheese such as boursin with herbs over the base and add your preferred ingredients. My topping includes some sautéed leeks, ham and shredded parmesan. That's it. Now the tart goes into the oven to bake for 25 to 30 minutes. I find the convection bake mode works well when baking pies and pastry, as the pastry remains very moist and flaky because there's moisture in the butter and it creates steam when it's baking. So the great thing about rustic tarts is that you can vary the ingredients to use what you have on hand, and it makes for a really elegant, impressive presentation. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.